I was struggling so hard to make freaking pancakes, but yeah, I finally made them. They're like organic waffle slash pancake mix. I've only ever used the bag to make waffles, but obviously I cannot make pancakes with it. I'm watching Practical Magic. I don't know why I've never watched this movie before. It looks so adorable. It just started and I already love it. It's so cute. It really just still does not feel like October. So I'm just trying to watch like new fall, spooky, witchy movies. Honestly, now might be one of my new favorite fall movies. It's so cute. I have to pause it right here though because it's already 1:10 and I planned to go to the pumpkin patch today, so okay, I just finished doing my hair. I haven't brushed them out yet, but anyways, I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I have a huge fall haul for you guys. Everything is from Walmart. Thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. I kind of already have an idea of what I'm going to wear to the pumpkin patch, but I'm going to show you guys all of them. I'm already wearing the shirt that I want to wear, just this red sweater. Walmart has such good shoes because look at the boots that I found. Literally so perfect for fall. They're like kind of like ashy charcoal. I don't know. These boots are all over my Pinterest and they're probably all over yours. I was so excited when I saw those. Okay, another shoe. This is literally the perfect platform height for me and they don't cost an arm and a leg. I'm gonna probably be wearing these a lot with jeans. And then I have this jacket. I realized that I don't really have a lot of like denim jackets, denim coats, denim jackets. The length of it is perfect. It's not too cropped, but it's not too long. I don't think these are the matching pants, but I'm gonna say they are and probably wear them together. But these jeans, I love the fit of these. They're like so loose and comfortable. I just love dark denim jeans for winter. Moving on to sweaters. I have this sweater that I'm wearing right now. I love the puffiness of the sleeves. It just looks so cute. This sweater is incredibly soft. It feels like a freaking blanket. And it's just this blue sweater. I wish you guys can feel it. Can you guys see how like soft it is? Oh my gosh, I need more sweaters that are not white, gray, and black. So I got red and I got blue. I know I said I didn't want to get gray or black or white, but I saw this set and I really wanted it because it looks so comfortable. These are the bottoms. Again, feels like a blanket. All of Walmart's clothes feel so soft. And then this is the matching top. It's so cute. It looks so cute alone. I love the knit on it. This is the perfect set for if I want to go out and don't look like a crazy lazy raccoon. And then the skirt is so cute. I figured with like black sheer tights, this leather skirt. I like the little charcoal ash. I don't know what you would call this, but it's like where it looks like washed out leather, like charcoaly. I have a lot of statement pieces, but I don't have a lot of basics. So I just got this gray long sleeve and then the same one, but in black. Because I know I'm gonna be using these ones a lot for like layering and styling different pieces together. Thank you again so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want any of these items, I'll have everything linked below. Okay, this is my little outfit. I'm hoping chilly enough outside to be wearing this. I'm not sweating right now. I don't know if I want to do the bows or not. I'm just afraid I'm gonna be sweating later. Hopefully the breeze stays breezing. That one movie, The Children of the Corn. towels. 2 hours later, we want to take a shower because we were so gross.
Do you really like this shirt?
What?
This one?
That shirt?
Yeah.
It's just a pajama shirt.
Okay, because it kind of smells.
Yeah. It's just a PJ shirt.
I didn't know it was open, that's why when I picked it up.
Nah, it's just for PJs anyways. We had a shower. It was so dusty over there. Like, mega dusty. Cinnamon roll time! We're using the little oven. Because if you know, you know.
Oh my god!
Wait, yeah, this way, huh?
Yeah.
Don't air fry, make sure they're ready. I put air fry.
No, you did bake. Is it 400 or 350?
Okay, redo. Good delish.
Oh, do that again.
Homemade. Homemade. Rocking.
I tried.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll charge it.
This one looks really good, like, because we had it smeared all nice.
Yeah. Give me this one.
I literally told your mom you were gonna get that one.
It was the most frosting.
I knew it. We definitely left them in there a little too long.
I guess so.
I haven't had a cinnamon roll in forever. That was bomb. That was so good.
Good morning. I have some heatless curls going on because I'm going to a cafe with Jocelyn to study and to edit. Oh. Okay. Kiss me. I feel like it's just my bangs that probably look a little weird. Yeah, it's definitely just the bang part. Okay, which way does this go? Voila! The bangs are fixed. So much better. This is the coffee shop outfit. Pants and boots are from Walmart. Okay, I got all my stuff. Laptop, headphones, bag.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me,